Shopify versus Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Shopify and Squarespace, and we're going to be seeing which one is better and for what reason. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So we all know about Shopify, right? We all know what it is for, the e-commerce platform, and is used mainly for drop shipping and e-commerce purpose, whether it's point on sale, drop shipping, print on demand, whatever it is, people use it for e-commerce, and you can make websites with it as well. Whereas Squarespace is mainly used as a website builder. I don't know if it is used for other purposes, but mainly it is used for website builder because it is a website builder. People use it to build website. So, but Shopify is also used for building a website, but mainly used for e-commerce purposes. Now, both of these softwares are free, but there is a pricing plan. So let's go over it initially. So as you can see, there are three plans for Shopify. There's the basic, the Shopify, and the advanced. And as you can see, the prices are as follows. The basic is $39 per month, and for the Shopify for the small business is $105 per month, and the advanced is $399. And down below are the credit rates. So as you can see, these are the credit rates over here. And if you want to see more features, you can just simply go ahead and click on compare plan, and you can compare all of them over here. So over here, as you can see, you get in the basic plan, you get the basic reports, 1,000 inventory location, and up to 77% shipping discount and 2 staff accounts, which I think is pretty cool. And a lot of people go with the basic account because they give you the most value to money, I would say. Shopify is good, but it's not that good because they only give you like a 10% discount and three more staff accounts and maybe a little bit more professional reportings. But if you go into the deep, still does not make up for it. Still very similar, maybe a better credit score, but that's about it. So this is Shopify, but they give you the first 3 months for just $1 per month, which is pretty cheap. So for the first 3 months, it's going to be absolutely free. So you can go ahead and use that. Whereas for Squarespace prices, it's a little bit different. And over here is as follows. So as you can see, there is no free plan, but you get a free trial. There, it starts at $16 per month, and with the business, you have 23. Commerce is 27, and Commerce Advanced is $50 per month, which is cheaper when compared to Shopify. But still, let's see what they offer. So over here, in the most basic plan, which is the personal plan, you get free custom domain, templates, and mobile optimized website. So just templates and a free domain for $16, which is okay, but you get $23 per month. You get website analytics, fully integrated e-commerce with, I would say, 3% transaction fee for physical products and services, and checkout on your domain, which I don't know if you get that over here, but it should be here because it's checkout. But yeah, and if you spend 27, you get all of that and you get a powerful merchant. So I don't think the pricing plan and the structure really works out, but it is still cheaper than Shopify because it's $40 basic, and over here it's just $10 more for the advanced one. But still, I don't know if it is because, as I said before, Shopify is an e-commerce tool and Squarespace is a website builder. If you want to go ahead and check it out, you can check it out. But I would say this, because both are different and, used for different purposes, I would say that if you are looking to create a stunning looking website with cool design and minimalistic design, whatever your design preference is, Squarespace is the go-to because it is cheaper. It gives you better options when it comes to designing and creating a website. It's got tons and tons of templates, and it all has other functionality, including other products as well. So over here you can see you can sell products as well, but I don't know if it is as good as Shopify, but you can still do it. So it is cheaper. It gives you a logo maker tool, you have SEO tools, you have email marketing, but as I said, this is all going to cost you extra. So that's the hidden part. It doesn't come free. So if you go with the logo maker, if you buy a specific plan, maybe you won't have to, but sometimes you will. Over here, you just simply enter in the name of your company and just you're good to go. Let me see. Holy delights. And here we go. And then you just simply choose the shape and you are good to go. I would say something like this, but since it's a donut, here we go. That looks like a donut. So yeah, I think that would look good. So yeah, the logo maker is pretty cool. It's a free logo maker tool. But what about the other products as well? like the SEO tool and the email marketing tool. These are not going to be free. These are going to cost you a bit, but still, in my opinion, it does seem pretty cool. But yeah, in my opinion, if you were to ask me what would you choose as an e-commerce platform, I would say I would definitely choose Shopify. Even though it is a little bit more expensive, it still has more functionality and is more simpler to use and easier to use. Its interface is very, very easy and it's very, very fast. And I personally know a lot of people who have used Shopify and they have made money. But that doesn't mean that I can make money and anyone who uses Shopify can make money. A lot of work goes into it, a lot of planning, hard work, a lot of dedication goes into it, and then it pays off. It's not like you can just create a store and start earning money, but it does make the process a lot simpler and a lot easier. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard and the interface and how we can create a website. So create an account is very simple on Shopify. I just ask you some questions and then locations. You can skip all of that and then just simply click on next and then sign in with your email address and you are good to go. So I already have an account. I'm just simply going to go ahead and sign in. And it's just that simple. Very simple, very easy to use. Let's go ahead and check out Squarespace. Let's go ahead and get started. Over here, they'll ask you what you want, but again, we'll skip all of that. Skip. How would you like to get started? Build a custom template with Squarespace build or build a professional design website template. Let's go with Resita and click on finish and online store. Choose the template you want. As I said before, I always go for the simple looking websites because I don't want fancy, big headers and stuff like that. I want people to see the product, focus on that. So I would say Almeida or Almada looks good, and we're going to start with that. So right off the bat, it just lets you build the website, no fluff stuff there, and you can just simply go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my email address. As for Shopify, as while that loads up, we'll come over here and we'll take a look at its website builder as well. Since it's already here, we'll go into the online store theme section and we are good to go. This is what I like about Shopify. The whole thing, the entire website is just one page and you have all the options. You want to add products, boom, you have your product tab right here. You click on it, it booms opened up over here and you can add your product. Add collections, again, click on collection, you can add collection. Check your inventory is over here, transfers over here, customers, content, everything is just in one place. You don't have to go ahead and search for it. So which is why I like Shopify. It's very simple, very easy to use. And over here, let's go ahead and take a look at the store. Click on the online store, click on themes, go ahead and click on the preview section and also customize as well, just in case. So as you can see right now, it's nothing, but this is what I mean. The theme is very simple. The story is very simple. Everything is very simple. Open up over here. You can see the product. You have your website. That's it. Nothing too fancy. This is what people want to see. And the website builder itself is actually very simple as well. Over here on the left hand side, you have your simple options. You have your announcement header and your image bar. You click on the settings, you can change the colors, the logos, the typography, the layout, animation button, and all of that just over here. It's so simple. And over here on Squarespace, it's also very similar, but it does give you, it's a little bit different. So as you can see over here on the left hand side, it's a little bit different. They have their own scheduling system, their analytics, contact marketing, selling, and website. You click on website, it's going to ask you over here. You got to add in the shop, the look book, the about section, and the contact. Over here are the products. If you are wondering where you can add the products, you have to go back into the dashboard, and over there you have to add products, not over here. But if you click on this settings, this is the shop settings, I would say. Over here, you can just simply go ahead and check out the URLs and the plugs and all of that. So the builder itself is not that bad. It's very simple. It's just that it's a little bit different than Shopify. Shopify is much more cleaner, simple. It's a little bit more, it has a little bit longer process, I would say. Both are really good. If you're looking for something cheap, I would say go for Squarespace. If you're looking for something more simple and more professional, I would say go for Shopify. At the end of the day, it's your own choice. Whatever you decide works best for you. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.